So this is important here, okay? At the end, we want to have this pant pattern has notches as well as the line that customer need. By the end of this video, you will know how to grade pants pattern in Close 3D using the auto grading function. Easy step by step. I will share with you some tips and tricks to grade these pants pattern into multiple sizes from small, medium to large. Then we will bring these graded patterns to Adobe Illustrator and give them a finished look. Next, we want to apply the stroke color onto this pattern, okay? To do so, I'm going to once again come over here to this group selection tool. Then I'm going to Command or Control plus letter A to select all the pattern pieces. Then I'm going to come over here to this stroke icon right there. Click on it to bring this color picker window, and I'm going to just click a little bit, maybe green right there, perfect. Then I'm going to come over here to this top menu and I want to click the tool and arrow and I want to change the stroke weight to 3. Then I'm going to click one on the page to deselect. Now the pants pattern looks amazing. So we have this green stroke with no fill and remove all the lines we don't need, and we're gonna keep the line we need. After that, I'm going to come over here and I want to change that name right there to small. Then press return enter on the keyboard to confirm. Next, I'm going to come over here to the size medium, okay? I'm going to repeat this step, guys. Okay, so we just remove all the lines almost all. Let's remove this one too. That does not belong there. And let's rotate this a little more. Why not? Okay. After that, I'm going to, once again, come over here and change this name from layer 1 to size medium. Or letter M. Press return enter on the keyboard to confirm. Alright. After that, I'm going to come over here to the size large, click on it, and I'm going to repeat this step, guys. So now I'm going to come over here to this layer and then name it large and press return enter on the keyboard to confirm. Okay, there you have it, Designista. I hope you find this video useful and remember to sub and click on the bell for more awesome videos. Thank you.